filming.
Here we are, we found some waterfalls after an epic bike ride. We're really tired, by the way. So we're gonna, well, I've already jumped in the water, but these boys are gonna do it now.
Yep.
Ben's looking nervous, Des is eager. And there's some other people doing it. And here are the other people. Loving it. Loving this jungle. And Des is nearly there now, so let's get in. And there's the waterfall, it's beautiful. I've just been underneath it. Absolutely brilliant. Here we go. Nung, Song, Sam, jump! Ooh, and look at that colour. There he is. Give us a thumb. Hey. Here's someone else going to try it. Hiding behind the tree. Ben's getting ready for it. That's not Des. I think you should start going up there, Ben. Come on, get ready.
I will.
It's the best way to get in because it's not that warm. Here we go. Someone else jumping in now. Jump, jump, jump. Woo. I think she found that cold. Might have a few peanuts there, I reckon. Here we go. Boy Wonder steps up. Come on, Ben, it's boiling. Nung, Song, Sam. Yep. Let's see what he reckons. What you think of that, Ben? It's not warm. Now go under the waterfall. Go under the waterfall.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah, go under the waterfall with Ben. It's really. Have you been under there yet?
Yes.
Nice, isn't it?
Awesome. Hey. Awesome. Everything about this world, this wall, is awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome, awesome.
Fantastical. Right, just gonna step around here.
What do you reckon the best thing about this wall?
So I've got the best thing on video. Don't worry. Here's Mr. Brooks going under the pool. Get under there, lad. Hey, he's going in. Woohoo! How nice is that? I'll turn around and look at it. It's definitely a thumbs up.
Do thumbs fresh.
I would give you a second one, but I can't.
Do you reckon this is?
I don't know. Have a go. Right, I might as well stop filming. Anyway, we'll get another film for the next waterfall. Bonza!